So hey everybody, I am finally cooking on the road. I'm getting used to cooking on this type of stove. It is a little bit different than normally how I cook. I am making a kind of like a breakfast hash, breakfast skillet type of thing. Um, you can notice that I'm just grounding up my uh, sausage, and I'm using spicy sausage, and I have some bell peppers, onions, and a couple of jalapenos in there. So I do like it a little bit spicy, y'all. And don't judge me and my stomach, girl. Hold your stomach in. You are on camera. But anyway, we gonna get to the gym, I promise. But anyway, I also got some potatoes boiling in the background. So I'm going to fast forward to a couple of these clips so that you can kind of get the gist of what's going on here and then to the finished product. So thanks. Yes, y'all, I'm looking a little linty right here, but anyway, so what I'm about to do is go ahead and pour my potatoes in and let them fry in that bacon grease, just a good crisp on them. Originally, I was actually going to make a like a casserole, breakfast casserole, one of those things, but my kids don't eat eggs, and yeah, I was just like, what's the point? So I might as well kind of just do a breakfast skillet and my eggs on the side. So I'm going to fry those up, and then we're going to go ahead and head to the final product in just a moment. All right, so see here we got our potatoes together and our sausage all in the same skillet, looking delicious. It's not the prettiest looking dish in the world, but it sure tastes very good. So we have those all together. I'm just going to zoom in here. And now we can see that. Now, funny thing is, like, as a part of my career, I'm a instructional designer. So what am I doing here? I am taking very bad shots. I'm used to doing things like this. I am showing y'all stuff y'all cannot see on camera. There I go. Like, there's a can of biscuits. I'm actually going to cook those biscuits on the stove top, so you can actually see how I do that. I did kind of have it up a little bit too high. I think I'm going to edit that part of the clip out. I got some cheese too. If you're into sprinkling a little bit of cheese on that, of course, if you got fresh shredded cheese, if you got homemade biscuits, of course, y'all know that's how I roll in real life. But we're on the road, so I'm not about to be working myself that much harder, especially today was pack up day. And then, of course, I got some eggs on the side that I'm going to be adding to this. So just to show you all what that's going to look like, let me just bring it all together now. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so winding down to the last couple of seconds. You see I got the biscuits on the stove top. I did turn it down a little bit. In real life on the other side, they are a little bit well done, but I didn't want y'all to see that, but they are there. Keep it on a low temperature. I put a little a little drizzle of water in there. And then that's my clip of my bacon. I like to cook my bacon in the oven. And here's the finished product. So thank you all for watching again. Not the prettiest dish, but it is a pretty tasty. So more to come from the Cross Country Adventures, the Road Edition. Bye.